Our next little family project is these plastic flamingos. We've had them for about 4 years. They are in our garden and they are super tired. So we washed them off nicely. We are going to give them a fresh lick of paint. Pretty Flamingo. And we are done rejuvenating our flamingos. Just to recap, we washed it off, went straight on with Granny B's Pretty Flamingo, 2 coats. We even did some Dijon here and some Dove Grey, and then the eyes. We still need to do the pupils, but we'll do that as a very last step. And now we are going to give it 2 to 3 coats of armor, and then it's ready to go back into the garden. She moves so